waiting for a minute is not acceptable. I need instantaneous response. So traditional database technology, relational databases, things like that, as they get to the scale we're talking about, they typically slow down. It's not a very satisfactory experience. So they kind of come up with these things called NoSQL databases, which really the whole idea there was to get the data closer to the device, right? So how do you do that? Instead of being in some central repository somewhere on big honking servers or whatnot, what do? I basically distribute my architecture into clusters and things like that of less expensive hardware, but I'm actually distributing it and getting it closer to the edge, closer to the consumer. And that works very well for a while as well, until I get to such a point of scale where I've got too many of those clusters and servers and things like that. Now I've traded one problem for the other, where one was very expensive because I'm throwing very expensive hardware and disk drives and things like that at the problem. Now I'm basically having to throw a lot of manpower. I've got to tune the databases. I've got to basically manage that infrastructure, things of this nature, right? So we're always making trade-offs in terms of, the technology we're going to use to solve the problem based on the size of the database, things of this nature. So what we've done this a little bit different is we kind of basically took the best of both, right? Instead of having a master slave or a master sort of a architecture, we have a masterless architecture. And the reason we can do that is because we basically developed our own brand, if you will, a blockchain that allows us to do that. Because of the way we do it is also very fast and performant and secure and things of this nature. Is that a problem that traditional blockchain solves? No, but it's a problem that blockchain, the way we've re-envisioned blockchain, that is a problem that can be solved using that technology.